We track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
We're joined now by KIMT Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Aaron White.
And Aaron, I've gotten to the point where I really am hoping that we'll get a good soaking rain tonight.
Yeah, George, I think it's going to be pretty certain now that we're finally starting to see some of those showers and storms developing across south Minnesota and north Iowa. It's taken a little bit of time, but we're finally starting to get some of that moisture building in, and it's really feeding those storms developing now across the area. As we look at Rochester at the moment, we're dry. We are seeing some showers nearby. Downtown, looking at a bit of cloud cover, 70 degrees, so temperatures are warm. There's a lot of moisture to work with. 69 in Mason City. We've also seen a few showers around this evening as those are continuing to develop. Now, earlier today, we had some decent rainfall for parts of the area. We had Iowa Falls over a half an inch, almost a half an inch in Fort Dodge. Preston around a half an inch as well. We had Forest City just over a third of an inch of rainfall. Mason City checking in at about 2/10 of an inch, and we had Rochester down under the 1/10 of an inch mark, but we're going to really add to this as we head through tonight. As I mentioned, we're already seeing those showers and storms developing pretty quickly here over the last 30 to 45 minutes. Kind of went from really nothing there to a lot of showers here across Olmsted County, back towards parts of Freeborn County, Albert Lee, seeing those back towards Fairmont, and even some more thunderstorm activity there north and west of Algona. So this is going to continue to expand in coverage, and as it does so, and as some of this starts to move over the same locations, that's when we're talking about a threat for heavy rainfall and even some localized flash flooding not out of the question. So we went from being dry to now seeing that moisture transport, that some of that shower and storm development here across the area. So we have this aerial flood watch that is in effect through tomorrow morning for the entire viewing area, North Iowa, southeast Minnesota, because we are monitoring that potential for torrential rainfall as storms continue to develop and move over the same locations. Now, aside from the heavy rain threat, there is still potential for a few strong to even severe thunderstorms during the overnight hours. Main concern is going to be for some damaging wind gusts, but I really think of greater concern is that heavy rainfall and localized flash flooding. So as we go through SKYTRACKER 3, you can see the more robust thunderstorm development happening later on tonight after midnight, and that whole system continues to basically kind of merge together and then forming into a complex, and that's going to start to sag south and move across northern Iowa as well. And we're going to get some pretty heavy rainfall with that as it continues through tomorrow morning, tapering off to just some scattered shower activity during the later morning hours and around lunchtime. So rainfall potential could be pretty heavy. Wouldn't be surprised if most of us pick up over 1 inch of rainfall through tonight into your Friday morning. But some of this area in yellow and red, that's an indication that we could be talking about rainfall amounts over 2, possibly as much as 3 inches through tonight into tomorrow morning. So something we're going to keep close tab on in addition to that severe potential through tonight. We'll see a low near 66 degrees with thunderstorms likely across the area for tomorrow. Thunderstorms in the morning, maybe tapering off just a few light showers by around lunchtime. We'll see a high near 78 degrees. And our 7-day forecast where the weekend is always in view, showing another chance of storms coming in for Saturday. But after that, we're finally drying out and cooling down to finish off the weekend.
All right. Thanks, Aaron.